welcome to my vlog, Active Bodby. Today I will show you the differences between a 2018 Honda CB650f and a 2019 CB650r. Please take note that both motorcycle already has aftermarket components and accessories. This is the 2019 Honda CB650r. Notice the round headlight and it's compact. That's an Akrapovic full system exhaust. This is the 2018 Honda CB650f. It looks a bit larger compared to the R version. It has a huge 190 rear tire. Wow! The headlight has a modern design. Shout out to Mon Pasio, my riding buddy this morning. He is the owner of the 2018 Honda CB650f. We will do a quick breakfast ride to Antipolo. Warming up the engine and sound check. We are now ready. Let's go! That's Mon on his CB650f. And me on my CB650r. I'm really enjoying my first ride with my CB650r. Time to have breakfast at Jerry's Kambingan here at Padilla, Antipolo, Rizal. Of course, our breakfast was calderetang kambing. Yummy! With freshly brewed coffee. Perfect! Now let me share to you some detailed specifications of the CB650f. The CB650f has 91 horsepower. The red line is 11,200 RPM. The CB650f is heavier at 459 pounds. Higher fuel tank capacity at 4.6 gallons. Now let's check out the Honda CB650r. The CB650r has 94 horsepower. Same torque with the CB650f. This can go all the way up to 12,000 RPM. Wow! The weight is a little bit lighter compared to the CB650f. That was a delicious breakfast. Time to go! That was a nice early morning ride. Good job. That's the difference between a Honda CB650r and a Honda CB650f. Both are awesome bikes. Hello, that's my vlog for the day. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you.